If you have brake shutter, pulsation, and you want to know what causes that and how to avoid it, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. It can cost you thousands of dollars in damages, guys, and we will explain how we can avoid brake pulsation in the future. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. It could be practically any BMW model, anything from 1 series all the way to 7 series, anything from X1 to X7, guys. If you want to know what is brake pulsation, what causes brake pulsation, how to avoid brake pulsation, because in some cases fixing brake pulsation can cost you thousands of dollars, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We've seen it happen on brand new cars, and we'll explain about one common mistake people usually make, so all that, guys, will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos, guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot, guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, guys, and you can save a ton of money. So what is brake pulsation? Let's explain that thing now, guys. And we'll explain what causes it, how to avoid it. This is specifically X4 BMW, which is built on the X3 platform and package xDrive 35i. It will work on diesel, gasoline, hybrid vehicles, electric vehicles. Now, what causes brake pulsation? And what is brake pulsation? Brake pulsation, guys, is when you slowing down, usually at higher speeds, and you guys apply the brake pedal, you start feeling the brake pedal vibrating, going up and down, okay? It will be pulsating. You also may notice that the steering wheel will start shaking too, okay? Just like that. Now, what can cause that, okay? And how to fix it now. One thing that can easily cause brake pulsation, guys, it will be a brake roller, okay, that's not even, it's wrapped, it's not straight. You will have low and high spots that in most cases you may not be even able to notice with your eyes. And when you have that, you can see the brake pads. When you apply the brakes, the master cylinder is going to press send brake fluid to the pistons of each caliper, and the piston will come out and it will squish the brake pads towards the roller, so that those brake pads will follow the roller. And when you have low and high spot, they will start following that spot and they will start vibrating, right? Going up and down, up and down. That pulsation is going to be sent to the piston. The piston will start vibrating, pulsing. It will go back to the brake pedal and you will feel it in the brake pedal. Also, the wheel, okay, the hub will start vibrating. That will be sent through the tie rods to the rack and pin, and then there to the steering wheel. And as a result, guys, okay, you will feel it in the steering wheel as well. So uneven disc rotor will be the cause for that. Every time, guys, you're replacing brake pads, you need to either install new disc rotors, or if yours are thick enough, you take them to the car store and they can have them resurfaced for a small fee. They cut the top layer on each side, they make them nice and even again, they remove all the grooves so the new pads can be seated correctly too. We have a special video that explains, do I need new disc brake rotors? So check it out, it will teach you all about that. So you can see this is, guys, okay, the disc rotor. But what causes now, okay, to have uneven disc rotor? One thing, okay, could be excessive use of brakes. If you get them too hot, sometimes it can cause damage to the rotor. You're racing, you're on a track or going downhill into a pass really fast, pulling a trail or anything like that, and you don't let your brakes cool, that can happen. Number two, it could be sometimes when your brakes are hot and you go through water puddles, that can cause that as well. Also, it can cause cracks to the rotor. Number three, guys, okay, it's probably didn't have it resurfaced last time you replaced brake pads. And number four, it's something that most people don't think about, but we've seen it on brand new cars sitting at the dealer lots. This Dodge, for instance, is very low mileage, but it's been sitting for a while. When you let your car sit for a while, when it rains, even when you have dew in the morning, that humidity will start building between the brake pad and the disc rotor. You can see the disc, they will always guys rust, okay, when it rains. They will always get that rust layer on top of them. But the extra water that's trapped between the pad and the rotor will cause a deep corrosion there. And when you apply the brakes later, that corrosion will be scraped off and you're going to end up having a low spot like this one. And that causes, guys, okay, brake pulsation. So in order to avoid it, if you don't drive your car for a long time, you plan on keeping it probably a few months, a couple months without driving it every week, guys, I recommend to start it, just drive it up and down the street to make sure that the brakes can clean themselves. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.